How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. Look at this, boys. Isn't this looking good? Tell you what, not a bad looking tractor shelter. Yesterday off camera, I even added some fascia board up here. And the reason I did that is because we're going to get set up to start putting, roof shingles on here. My knees get sore when I even say the word roof shingle. What I'm going to try and do today is I'm going to put some metal starter strip along the edge of the roof here in preparation for putting the shingles up. So let's get started. I'll get some nails and some starter strip and we'll get up there and get to work. So get some starter strip here. This just goes on the edges to give a nice metal flashing drip so that the water doesn't run down in and soak into the application. Certainly not rocket science putting this stuff up. That's all there is to that. So we're going to do that along this edge, along the far edge. Then we're going to go up the rake with it too. So we're putting it up the rake here. I have to make it fold right here. We're going to secure it first. Lots of guys will cut a V here so that it'll fold out, but I think if I just cut it like that and let it fold over itself, it might be more watertight. So yeah, that doesn't look too bad, eh? I think we'll go with that. That was easy. If it's easy, that's what I like. Time we get a cap on that, you'll never notice it. So I've got the starter strip on the far side and on this side, and then up this rake, as much as that is. We can go do the other side, and then we have to cut some pieces to fill in the little gaps, like we need a little piece down here. So we'll cut that and put that in, and then we'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Alright, so there's the starter strip on it, all the way down that side. Up the rake, down the other side. And you gotta even have it on this side out here. The joint halfway down, you can see that, but it'll be alright in a week or two. And I'll go around back and show you the rake edge on the back, but it looks the same as this one. Now, shingling time. So the help was back this morning. Gerry came back out, and he even knew that we were doing a roof, and he still came back. What do you think of that? Not bad, eh? So we're going to tackle this roof. I'm going to put you on time lapse, and you can just sit back and enjoy while we put the roof on, while we do all the hard work. Well, boys, it was a long, long day, I have to say. Thank goodness Gerry showed up, because he saved my bacon again today. Look what he's doing. When he's not getting cross at me for not cutting enough cap, he's leaving it on there. Sorry for the wind noise, but there it is. Doesn't look too bad, eh? Gerry just said don't show you how crooked it is, so check those lines down there. Look at that. That's straighter than the part in Pope's hair. So this is what you do on a sunny afternoon at the lake, right?
Yeah, good way to spend your vacation.
Come out and help the old man put roof on a shed. Thanks a lot, Gerry. Appreciate it. Pretty cheap, only cost me 3 beer the same. So have a great week, folks. Don't forget, thumbs up, yay, please. And say hi to Gerry. And thank him for all his help. Have a great week. We'll talk to you.